I believe in rock and roll, the only thing left to save my soul. So take me down to drown by the river tonight. Someone came and took me by surprise, and looking into my eyes, try to tell me what I do is right. I'm so lonely. The working boys are out on a Friday night. They're looking for young ladies to treat them nice. And at this time of the week, it seems so worthwhile to work hard from 9 till 5. Drag yourself home half alive to a little bit of freedom. And freedom is walking so far away from me. I need a light to guide me when I'm falling. Freedom is walking along the sand. And freedom's knowing you're there to hold my hand, without anyone to say it's right or wrong too. The pattern hasn't changed much in all these years. You switch and bitch for your pennies, 'cause your rent's in arrears. Your time, they say your work's been worthwhile now. So you wipe away all your tears, a handshake and a few cheers for a little bit of freedom. Working boy has no time left to call his own. He'd like to believe in miracles, but his shoes have no soles. And at this time of the week, it seems so worthwhile to work hard from 9 to 5, to drag yourself home half alive to a little bit of freedom.